Nandini Ajay Suredkar and I am the student of class 6th. Today I am going to explain my model of natural ways of water purification. Earth is a watery planet, yet water is a precious commodity. Can you guess why? This is because just 3% of water available is fresh water and all the rest 97% is saline water of rivers, oceans, lakes or springs forms an even smaller percentage. Fresh water from where sources may contain disease causing germs and impurities. Large scale water purification is done before it reaches our home. So let's see the journey of water before it reaches our home. Fresh water from the rivers, lakes, streams are taken through pipes to a large water treatment to water purification. In the first stage, the water is taken to the saturation tank and store the water in it. Alum is commonly used as a coagulant which forces the tiny particle and it sticks together and settle down. And now the water is carried from saturation tank to the filtration tank. In this process, the water is filtered. I have taken charcoal, sand and gravel. This is our filtered water. And now the water is stored in the storage tank and through pipes the water is also stored in the wells. And through pipes supply the water is gone in the farms and through underground water supply it is gone in the town. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mahi Sharma from class 5th B. I am here with a small natural water purifier. It purifies water and even it improves the water quality and makes the water healthy and hygienic for drinking. For that we need a plastic bottle and cut the bottle with at the cap from the cap side. Do some holes on the cap. Now place a small cotton cloth on it. Now some charcoal powder. Now some sand. Now some pebbles. Take some dirty water and steep some alum in it. Because alum is one of the best source of water purifier. Now pour some dirty water in it. Now the dirty water collected in this downside jar. Now in that jar there are some basils, means tulsi leaves. Tulsi leaves help us to totally disinfect the dirty water and make it hygienic. And fit for drinking. Thank you.
Good morning one and all, present over here. Myself Dipali Sengal from class 6C. Today I am here to tell you the natural ways of water purification. Many of the time people cannot occupy or own the water purifier, so it is the best way to purify water with no money. So I will tell you what is the process by which we can purify the water. So in this process I have used 3 to 4 materials. First, at the upper part I have used of the bottle is the big stones and the small stones, and then downside in second layer I have used sand, and in last layer I have used charcoal, and then at the end I have used cotton, a piece of cotton. So I will tell you by which process we can purify the water. So it is a dirty water, you can see. So I will take this water and pour in this. It will take time to purify the water. So you can see it is coming very clean water, very fresh. You can see. So in like this process we can purify the water. Many times in villages people cannot occupy. They can occupy RO filters, but there is not electricity, so they cannot buy that RO filter. So this is the best way to purify their water. And if you have any problem in this, you can also boil the water and then you can drink this water. So I can say one more thing, one important thing, that when there is a rainfall, many of the times when there is rainfall in the underground under the.
Myself, Dhruv Neeraj Mishra from class 6B. Today I am standing here to explain the natural ways of purification water. I have made a model of natural purification system. The material that I used for making this model are a bottle, some small and big stones, some sand, charcoal, some cotton. So let's see how my model works. In this glass, there is a muddy water. Now I am putting this muddy water in this container. The water is going down. It takes time for purify. See, the purified water is coming out. It takes time. This pure water is 60-70% pure from this muddy water. This process we have to repeat for 2-3 times, then the very pure water comes out with the help of cotton, small and big stones, sand and charcoal. The first layer made from small and big stones stop the big particles in the water and don't allow them to go in. Second layer made from sand. The tiny particles in the water are soaked in the sand and sand don't allow that tiny particles to go in. Third layer made from charcoal. The very tiny ingredients in the water are stocked in that charcoal layer and charcoal also purified the water. Charcoal is the best material for purification of water. And the last layer made from cotton. The remaining bad particles in the water are soaked in the cotton and that the pure water comes out. In ancient times, ancient people also used this method for purification water. This process also takes place in the land. With the help of sand, small and big stones, roots, etc. The rainwater purified by land. We can also purify water with the help of coriander leaves, neem leaves, tulsi leaves, drumstick seeds, etc. Always use healthy and purified water. Whether it is not possible, so use this natural purification system. Save water, then water will save you. Thank you.
morning, all of you. Myself, Thulish Devendra Ghavat. I am studying in standard 5th in St. Ives English Medium School, Akola. I make a small model to purify the water, and this method is a natural and traditional method to purify the water. Try this. Take a 3 plastic bottle and arrange it like this. In a first bottle, keep some muddy water and arrange the tap to the bottle. In a second bottle, keep powdered coal, fine sand, coarse sand, and small hair and cloth to tap arranged to the bottom of the bottle. And third bottle, keep some empty. And when I will start the first step, you can see muddy water is falling down into the bottle. But when I will start the second step, so the pure water is falling down. How it is possible? So this is a natural and traditional method to purify the water. So this is a natural and traditional method to purify the water. You can see how pure water is pouring down to the bottle. Thank you.
Good evening, sister and all my dear teachers. I am Gaurav Santani from 5th B standard. I am represent the science model of purification of water or sewage treatment plant. The water from city and village is collected from receiving tank. Then the water is transferred into screening and grid tank. Plastic wrappers and branches of trees are removed. Very small heavenly particles settle down at the bottom of their tank. After that, this water goes into skimming tank, where oil and grease are removed. After that, this water goes into primary sedimentation tank. Here, very small particles settle down. After that, this water transferred into aeration tank. Here, microbes and biological substances are removed. After that, this water goes into secondary sedimentation tank. Here, scum is removed. After that, this water goes into filtration tank, purified with the help of charcoal. After that, this water goes into desalination tank. This tank killing harmful germs. After that, this water goes into discharge to river. This water goes into discharge in water and used for many purposes. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Soumya Joshi. I am in class 5th. My topic is ways for the water purification. There are various methods for water purification such as boiling, reverse osmosis, distillation and filtration. The simplest method is filtration. In this, the water is passed through the various chemicals and substances. The basic and the widely accepted method is of filtering the water. In this, the dirty water is collected in a tank. The water is passed through the layer. The element of the layer are of various sizes and properties. Starting from a bottom, a clean cotton cloth. Above this there is a very fine layer of coal powder. Above this there is a very fine layer of sand. The two steps are repeated again. After this there is a large layer of small stone and pebbles. The stone layer helps to stop the bigger particles, while the sand and coal helps to remove the small and small particles. This process is slow, does not require any power source. This process does not kill the bacteria. All the bacteria can be killed by boiling the water. This is dirty water. Now, this water, dirty water, is purified in clean water. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Good evening, respected principal, sister, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself Nitya Parekh from class 6th. Today I am going to present before you a homemade natural eco-friendly water purifier using natural substances and empty waste bottles. I arranged these bottles as shown here. I fitted a one small bottle inside it which acts as a purifier. It is prepared as follows. First, place some cotton inside it which acts as a filter. Second, then add some charcoal powder which acts as a main purifier, and charcoal powder kills the germs. Third, then add some fine sand and some small and big size pebbles. Fourth, then pure dirty water inside it. Water passes through these different layers and collects into second jar. We can see that water collected here is clean water. These different layers acts as a water purifier, and this is the earth filters using underground water. So friends, please try this eco-friendly water purifier. Thank you.